What if I told you that most jobs you see today will either change or disappear by 2026? Not because people are lazy, but because technology is evolving faster than humans can adapt. If you don't learn the right tech skills, you won't just struggle to get a job, you'll struggle to stay relevant. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 tech skills you must learn in 2026 to stay ahead, make more money, and future-proof your career. Watch until the end, because skill number 10 might completely shock you. AI is no longer about coding. It's about knowing how to talk to machines. Prompt engineering is the skill of telling AI exactly what you want and getting accurate, high-quality results. People who master this skill can create content faster, build apps without coding, automate businesses, increase productivity massively. In 2026, companies won't ask, "Can you use AI?" They'll ask, "Can you control AI?" Businesses don't want employees who work harder. They want employees who automate work. AI automation means connecting tools together, automating repetitive tasks, building workflows that run 24/7. Examples: automated email systems, AI customer support, bots, content automation pipelines. If you can save a company time, you automatically increase your value. Data is the new oil, but only if you know how to read it. In 2026, you don't need to be a data scientist. You need to understand how to interpret data, how AI uses data, how to make decisions from insights. People who understand data make smarter business decisions, predict trends, avoid costly mistakes. This skill separates guessers from strategists. As technology grows, cyber threats grow even faster. In 2026, AI-powered hacking will increase. Data breaches will be more common. Digital privacy will be critical. Cybersecurity is no longer optional. Even basic skills like protecting systems, securing data, understanding digital threats can make you extremely valuable in any tech role. You no longer need to be a programmer to build software. No-code and low-code platforms allow you to build apps, create websites, launch startups, test ideas fast. In 2026, speed beats perfection. People who can build fast without coding will dominate creators, startups, and small businesses. Everything runs in the cloud. AI tools, apps, storage, automation, they all depend on cloud systems. Understanding cloud platforms, AI deployment. Scalable systems makes you essential to modern tech teams. Cloud skills are the backbone of digital businesses. In 2026, knowledge is money. Digital products include online courses, templates, AI tools, SaaS platforms. If you can package your knowledge and deliver it digitally, you can earn while you sleep. Creators who understand digital products build long-term income, not just followers.
This is an underrated skill, but a powerful one.
You can be brilliant, but if you can't explain technology simply, you'll be ignored. Tech communication means explaining complex ideas clearly, teaching non-technical people, creating trust.
The best tech leaders aren't just smart, they're great communicators.